In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Do Not Disturb mode on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And the first thing you're gonna do, you need to open up your control center. For that, swipe down from the top right corner. Now the control center is opened up, and here hold down on focus to bring up these 5 modes. Do not disturb is the first focus mode, and you can enable that just by tapping on it. So now you see that do not disturb mode is now on. You can tap here again, tap there on 3 dots icon, and you can customize that mode. Like you can enable that mode for 1 hour, for until this evening will ends up, until I leave this location, or until the end of this event. Also, you can tap here on settings and customize that mode. Here you see that even if this mode is enabled, I can get notifications from that specific person. I can add here some more persons, or I can delete both of them not to get notifications in that mode. So also here I got bunch of different options. For example, I can tap here on home screen and hide notification badges or select custom pages. Also, there are other options like driving, personal, sleep and work. You can customize them too. And now let me show you how to disable Do Not Disturb mode. For that, you need just tap here once on that focus icon, like that, enabled, and once again disabled. So guys, that's how it works. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.